Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. My friends, on any given day, we all go to work, school, or care for our kids. Because of this, we travel a lot, and the dirt and sunlight can have an adverse effect on our skin. Some people can afford to go to the beauty salon, but a lot of us can't afford those pricey treatments, so our skin remains damaged. Our skin deserves proper care and treatment. So what should we do to take care of our skin? Today, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a gold peel-off mask, which has 7 amazing benefits. It will banish pore cloggers like dead skin and dirt, remove dark spots, acne, pigmentation, and unevenness, make you look younger, remove excess oil from your face, remove facial hair, moisturize your skin, and finally, it'll remove blackheads and whiteheads. What else could you possibly ask for in a skincare treatment? So let's start making this remedy. But before we do that, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. First of all, we need rose water, lemon, a little bit of turmeric powder, your choice of gold mask. Gold peel-off mask I can prepare at home as well. First off, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the gold peel mask into a bowl. Next, add 1 pinch of turmeric powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of rose water. And lastly, we'll add in the juice from half of a lemon. Now mix your mask properly. In addition to benefits for the face, you can apply this mask to other areas of the body as well. Another benefit of this gold peel-off mask is that it absorbs excess oil from your skin while it unclogs and purifies your pores, giving you a natural, matte, and clarified complexion. This mask also removes facial hair. This one's a bonus. This gold peel-off mask will stick to the fine facial hair on your skin and gently uproot them when you take the mask off. Now lastly, this mask will help remove your blackheads and whiteheads, making your skin crystal clear and glowing. Now that I've applied the mask properly onto my face, I'm going to allow it to dry for about 30 minutes. See, the mask is properly dried out. Now you can gently peel it off. Peel it off in one direction. After removing this mask, clean your face with a wet towel or wet wipes. This mask is an all-in-one solution for your skin issues with a lot of unbelievable benefits. You should use this mask once per week to give your skin the proper treatment that it so deserves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you decide to try this remedy for yourself. Give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!